This project is a web application that demonstrates fundamental CRUD create, read, update, delete operations using a Python backend with a Flask microframework. It utilizes a PostgreSQL relational database for data storage and management, with database interactions handled via an ORM like SQL Alchemy. The front-end is built using standard HTML templates styled with the Bootstrap framework for a responsive user interface. So let me show you how this amazing project works. First, we will create a new user account, including their first name, last name, date of birth, phone number, and email address. Right now, we can create a new user. Now, we can check that the new user has been created. And now we can read the table. Now, we will update the same user that we created. Great. Now we can verify that the user has been updated. The last step is to delete the user we created. Before deleting the user, a confirmation alert will appear. Now we can check that the user we created and updated has been deleted. And of course, we can inspect the responsive design. As you can see, we can also create a new user on mobile devices. The system also allows us to read and update the same user record. And the user has been updated successfully. Now, we'll finish by deleting the user using the mobile view. Great. The CRUD project works on any device. Here are the PostgreSQL database and the Visual Studio Code files I used. So that's the complete demo. Everything worked perfectly without any warnings or console errors. Thank you for watching and have a great day.